Good work. Very nice product. Awesome with great discount, love it. On time delivery and installation within a day. We could blindly go ahead to buy this product. Nice looking refrigerator and will get satisfied for your invested money. Nice fridge and faster cooling with low power consumption. One of the very good model from LG. Amazon purchase options are nice, but product received with minor dent in the left back top corner. Package was good but product have minor dent. I don't have replacement option in Amazon for this product. Refund not required for me since this is a good model from LG. Thank you Amazon for fast delivery without any dent or scratch on the product, and LG for installation done on the same day of the product delivery. So far no issues, working smoothly. All over good product according to price. Comfortable for 2/3 family use. Nice product and fast delivered on time. Good product, simple and long lasting. Great product. After reading reviews and finding this refrigerator in top 3 refrigerators under this budget, I decided to go for it. First impressions: on time delivery, no damages or dents. Well packed and really good product. Let's see how it works. Silent and energy efficient. Always is good but back open on bad. Good product. News service by Amazon. Great product. This is 5 feet tall ref, without any stand. The delivery was on time and the demo and installation guy was nice. It's been almost 2 months now and so far it's running quite good. The new technology has enabled with smart inverter compressor. It also comes with 10 years of warranty. Also works without stabilizer like most of the fridges these days. It's on little heavier side of the price range for double door fridges but more energy efficient and rated 4 stars as controlled energy efficient. We like this atom very much and it is our one of the best product in Amazon, and I think that it is the best product of LG that we bought, thanks Amazon. Value for money. It's beautiful too. Refrigerator is good and I loved it, but only problem is transportation. When we opened it on right side we saw dent. Felt sad for that. Other than this, all fine in Amazon. Very happy with Amazon. Got a nice product and no defect, plus cash back of 2,500 unexpected. It's good fridge and value of money. Thank you, LG. Good, we purchased this product 5 years back. Up to now we do not have faced any problems. We purchased this one in LG showroom. It is working good and delivery was also on time. Value for money at this price. Go ahead and buy it. Same as described. Really good product on Amazon, quality good, nice refrigerator and best service. Nice product. After 1 month I can say it was good decision to purchase my refrigerator from Amazon. The best 4-star rating double door fridge in TH market. Usually we find all 2 stars and 3 stars double door fridges in this price range. Even got discount from Amazon owned Cloudtail India Limited. Thanks Amazon. Happy customer. Quality product in this price. Nice and happy. Going well. Good product. Freezer don't have light. Got product without any damage. This review is about 1 month usage. Low noise. If you want freezer usage more, then blindly go for it. Else LG also launched dual fridge for you. Looking very good and shiny. Fast cooling and rapid ice making. One disadvantage is no light in deep freeze. Nice look. Handle may be placed in hidden manner. Easy installation within a day on free of cost. Early safe delivery. Less sound operation. Good offer. Thanks say to Z-On. I got it in 23,490 during Casewell sale. Very nice. Good condition. Working good. I got it yesterday. Good delivery. I got a message that LG call within 48 hours to install. But I personally called them to send man to check product and install. Unexpectedly they send man to install within 1 hour. I am very happy with LG and Amazon. Thanks Amazon for delivery. I didn't receive keys with it. It's great to see. The functionality is also very good. LG 260 liters 4-star frost-free double-door refrigerator GL-I292RPZL. Upzibn, shiny steel, inverter linear compressor is energy efficiency, large space and value for money. Very good product from Amazon and LG must buy, and it is budget fridge. Click link in description for more reviews.